Hi, in this video I will show how to quickly populate a structure from a number of template structures. So here we have a working project structure, still very small, and I have prepared a couple of templates. They're also pretty small, but they can contain any number of issues. The number of steps that I will be using is not dependent on the number of issues that are in the templates. So there are two templates. Let's say we will need to take a template of an epic with a single story and a couple of subtasks and add it to our working template. For that, as a first step, I will need to clone this entire template structure. For that, I will go to Manage Structures, click Copy, and then select Yes for the clone issues questions. Now there are a bunch of options related to cloning. For this purpose, I will not use any of them. Just to differentiate the cloned issues from the originals, I will add some prefix, let's say asterisk. But it's up to you how would you like to modify the clones. And also can link back to the original. I don't have the good link type here. I'm sorry about this. Alright, so we start cloning, and there are some permissions issues, but I can still continue. And I have this temporary structure which is called copy of whatever the structure was named initially. So now I have clones of the original issues, and then I'm going to select all of those issues. I can click here or use Ctrl A, and then I will copy that into a clipboard, special issue clipboard, which you can see here. You can browse its contents if you click this button. Then I'm going back to my working structure. Where is it? There it is. Select place to insert the new issues and click paste. There we have a copy of the template structure. So I can repeat this process once again. Let's try it. I'm going to template structure 1. Then I'm going actually to manage structures, copy, clone. This time, let's say I will use plus instead of asterisk, and clone that. Open the structure. There are our clones. Copy them all. Go back to the working structure and paste. Here we are, a set of independent copies of the original template. Now I can do the same for any other structure. Let's take the structure template 2 with some QA testing suite. Once again, I'm going to copy, clone, and I want, well, let's say use another prefix like asterisks in braces, and copy it again. So for a large structure it may take some time to get the clones. So I have this full structure cloned. I can select all of them again, copy, and go back to my working structure and say this would be a testing suite for story 8.1, where I will paste the suite, or I can actually move it under the story. And I can repeat this cloning, copying, and pasting into the target structure. This routine can be repeated as many times as needed. and each time you will get the complete clone of the structure with each issue cloned. The only problem with this is that we will start to get a lot of temporary structures that were the results of the cloning. So you will need to get to the manage structure page and delete them. This is related to structure. The latest structure version, as of now, it's version 2.3. In the future versions of the structure, we will work on improving this process and getting rid of the temporary structures. In the meantime, the thing that I showed allows you to build up a whole new large structure pretty quickly if you have a template structures that is repeatedly used in different positions in that structure. And I hope this helps, and thank you for listening.